Okay, I'm gonna try to record some of this, but I just opened it up. And I'm gonna glue all the wires first and stuff to make sure they don't come off, hopefully. I also just noticed that it's literally missing a screw right there from factory. Good job, Jimmy. Yeah, that's the inside of a second gen Rocky. Okay, I just glued all the wires. I'm sure I probably missed some because I always do. But oh well. I'm gonna take all these screws out now and get into the mechanism. So I guess it basically is kind of like it's a whistle piece mix, so it pretty much is a Travis Trout gearbox and everything that holds it in, just a different tailpiece and headpiece and everything for a Lobster. It's interesting. Well, I was gonna try to get this out. I was worried about these wires for this motor, but now the other wires for the motor are like so short I can't even pull it out of the plaque that much at all. These ones right here for the mouth. Also, I think I know why it doesn't go up all the way, because that's broken. So I'm gonna have to fix that. So they literally wrapped this wire all the way around and put it under this. Like, why? That's why it's so tight. Why? It's so stupid. Also, I remember how people say how the skin rips, and at first I was thinking, well, I don't know how, because it seems like it's fine. It does seem thinner, but I just realized I wonder why it rips, because right here is really thin, and they glue all right here onto the plastic right there. So that's why it rips, because right there it's freaking ripped. And they glued the whole mouthpiece on to the mouth too, and that's really thin, so that's probably gonna rip too. Good job, Jamie. That's so dumb. I want to try and glue that back, see if it works. So that actually didn't break, it was just the top that broke, so hopefully that'll actually help it glue better. I'm gonna glue that and then fix the broken whistle piece in here, and hopefully put it back together. Maybe try to put a little bit of glue on that so it doesn't rip more. Hopefully get it fully working. Split right there. So I'm going to take that out and put a new one in. And hopefully that piece should be done gluing soon. That's surprisingly like the least worst I've ever seen a whistle piece break, because usually they're like broken in half or something. So that's surprising. Okay, I got a new whistle piece in now. I let this piece glue. So hopefully that should be good now. I'm gonna put it back together now and hopefully it should work. Okay, after hours, because whistle piece mechanisms are always annoying, I got it working finally. I got the piece glued and everything. I didn't really record anything else because I kind of didn't think about it, but yeah, it's fixed now. So I'll show it. Oh, now it's clicking. clicking, I don't know. Whistle piece mechanisms are weird. But yeah, it works. I think I showed it already, the other whistle piece. But yeah. I did forget to mention, when I showed originally the tailpiece, like when I said I replaced it, the tail was like down all the way. I did realize that I forgot to like straighten it up. So I did go back in the gearbox and like make the tail straight so it works like it's supposed to. So yeah.